So there is a third lab. So let's check out for this. First, we need to find out, okay, this lab is using the AWS or S3 bucket, anything. So we need to check out by using the host command, and after that, use the host command on IP address also and check out what is on this IP address. So we find out, okay, this is a S3 website and their region is US West 2. Okay, so let's check out our S3. So ls S3 and use it. Okay, so what happened? See, even you are not giving anything, that time is also working fine. So West 2. See, we are accessing them. So what happened? See, I configured my profile there and I exported the. See, I configure my profile. Where we configure? See, I configure my profile, this Ranveer, and I export this. Means by default, this AWS will use my profile, okay, for authentication. So I can use this directly without giving any profile. So you can use AWS S3 ls S3 this and region US West. So we are accessing this. There is a Git file, okay. See, Git file is there. So we need to download all of them because see, Git file, this is not a file, this is a directory basically. So we need to download this by a recursive method. So or we need to use the sync. So there are already many files, so I need to remove them. So remove R and star. Okay, so I want to remove. So there is nothing now. So let's try to download. And how we can download? By using the sync. Because from sync we can download everything because there is a Git directory. What happened? From sync. Okay, so we need to give the path also. So what happened? We didn't give like anything where we want to download. See, the following argument is required. So we need to give the path. So I want to download from this location. You can also give the another location like, okay, I want to download home. You can say like, okay, I want to download root, and you can give the path also. So I want to download only at this location, current location. So let's download this. See, we are downloading everything. See, this is downloading all Git files. So see, Git, there is Git inside, there is object, there is hooks, there is object, there is another file also. So let's check out. See, Git is a dot file, so we cannot check. So we need to use the lsla. See, now Git is visible. Okay, so for checking out the Git, you need to use these commands. See, git stash, git log, git checkout. Okay, so use git stash. Okay, so there is written something saved working directory and index state VIP on master. So they did this. Okay, and after that git log, git checkout address, git log. So see, these are the logs there. So we can check out them. So git checkout. So let's check out this. What is there? Nothing. Git checkout. So what happened? Like when we are doing checkout, means something is interesting there, then that is committed there. After that, we can see that file. So if you want to see there is nothing interesting there. And if we do this git checkout, and if we use this address, see, we did this, there is nothing interesting. If we are doing this after, okay, which we copied, yeah, this, okay, run this and now do the ls. See, there is a new file. So why we are getting this? Because of this. See, head is now at the first commit. So you need to learn some git, then after that you will understand these things. Okay, so there is a file after running this command. So we can check out this cat. See, we have the access key and we have the secret access key. So we can create a profile. So we know, like, see, if you have the access key and if you have the secret access key, means we can access the profile. So this is very, very important, guys. What happens? Sometimes you will find out these key, say access key and secret key in the JS file. What happens? Sometimes some bug bounty hunter also ask me, like, sir, I found out the access key and secret key. So how I can exploit them in the JS file? So he find out these things, but he don't know like how I can exploit. So you can create a AWS profile. AWS configure profile hyphen profile, and let's say create a profile with this name flows. Okay, after that, this is access key. Okay, and then secret key. Okay, reason is US West, we already know, 2, and enter. So now our profile is created. So after, see, we can access these things. See, if you have my access key and secret key, means you can access my whole AWS. You can run the EC2, you can start a S3 bucket, you can create S3 bucket, you can create S3 bucket, you can perform anything there. So first you need to check out from, okay, like everything is working fine or not. So you can use this command. See, AWS profile, after that STS get caller identity. So I want to know like what is the identity of this. So okay, AWS profile is this. See, we created this, and STS get caller identity. I think this is the command. See, we are accessing the account information. So if you find out this access key and secret key in a JS file, so you need to create this, take the screenshot of this. After that, run this command, take the screenshot of this. Then you can tell them, okay, I can access your account and this is more than enough. You will get a big bounty for this, because this is a P1 bug. Because why? Because you can access their AWS account and you can do like everything. Means you have the full control on their AWS account. Like if they have the website there and there are other, maybe they have like hundred of website on that AWS. So you can control them. So this is very, very big vulnerability. Okay, so this is first. And other thing also, see, we can also, sometimes you will find out this thing like account information of a AWS. You can use that also for exploitation. Let's say you are researching on a JavaScript file, or you find out a account information of a AWS account. So you can try for that also, like for exploitation. For that you can use this command AWS, then use your profile and then use that describe. Okay, so let's say AWS profile. So my profile is this, and I want to check out this. Okay, so I want to check out this. So let's say I found out this account information in a JS file, or maybe somewhere else on the internet. Okay, so I am checking out this. And see, I am checking out this from my profile. I am not using this flows profile. So I just find out this and I am checking out from my profile, because I have the profile. And I am using only their owner ID only. So you need to use AWS profile run b EC2 describe. And after that, use the reason also. Sometimes this won't work. So you need to supply the reason also. See, we are accessing the critical information, sensitive information. So see, we are accessing this information only from this. See, I found out this only maybe in the JS file or somewhere else. Maybe you can find out in the request or response. After that, we need to use this AWS profile. This is your profile. EC2 describe snapshot owner ID, and this is it. Okay, so we are accessing this. So let's say we find out this. Okay, we find out this account ID. After that, we find out, okay, they have a snapshot. So see, this is a snapshot ID. So if you find out a snapshot ID, so you can use this snapshot ID for exploitation. How? Because snapshot, like what is the snapshot? Snapshot is, let's say I'm creating something there. Like let's say I'm creating a light cell. Okay. So after creating, I can take a snapshot. Snapshot means after creating a fresh like operating system or apps or anything, I can take the snapshot. So that have like any many sensitive data related to that web applications and other maybe password or other secret username password, or maybe they have the keys like SSH keys in that. Okay, so we can use this snapshot. So we can copy this snapshot to our AWS. See, this snapshot is related to this lab, but we can copy this snapshot to in our. Okay, let's see. Let's go to services and say AC2. See, check out. See, currently there is no snapshot. Okay, so we can copy this snapshot to our AWS, and after that we can use that for exploitation. So how we can copy that? Just you can use this command: AWS profile, your profile, then EC2 copy snapshot, then source region. Okay, and after that source snapshot ID. Okay, so let's try this. AWS --- profile. Okay, what is the command? I think forgot. EC2 copy snapshot. EC2 snapshots copy snapshot, source region, and source snapshot ID. Copy snapshot, source region is US West 2, and source snapshot ID. I think this is it. So AWS profile and EC2 copy snapshot source region, and after the source snapshot ID. So we will use this. So let's try this copy. In order to copy snapshot, I think we mistyped something. Snap. Okay, I think snapshot ID. Source. What I mistyped. See, we run this command and see snapshot ID this. So now check out there. See, there is nothing. Now refresh it. Okay, nothing. Okay, this should be copied there. Copy AWS profile, and we receive to copy snapshot, source region ID, source snapshot ID. Snapshot ID is this. What's happening? Okay, let's use this. What is the describe snapshot? This is the snapshot, and after that AWS profile, then we receive to copy snapshot. This is copying and again, but this will take some time, I think. So see, we copied it 3 times. So yeah, because of that I'm thinking like all the time we are using the right command, but yeah, see, we have copied it 3 times because we run the command multiple times. So if you run every time, then this will copy. So last time we run this 39C. So let's check out this. See, this 39C. So this is created. So what is the snapshot? Snapshot is, see, like after creating a fresh install, most of the time developer create a snapshot. So from that snapshot, we can create a volume. So see, there is a snapshot, click on this, and after that go to the action and you can create a volume. See, create a volume from the snapshot. Just click on this, create a volume. So see, now go to the volume. See, volume is created. So volume is just you can say like a pen drive. So you can use this for, you can connect this to any instance, you can connect this to the EC2, you can connect this to the light shell or anything. So let's say you can create an instance of EC2, and after that connect this to there, and after connecting you can access this, but just this by using the normal commands. Okay. If I see, after that you can create a volume with the help of snapshot, then create an EC2 instance, attach your volume with the EC2 instance, and now access your EC2 instance. So you can use the Fdisk and mount, and after that you can access. Okay. So this is all about this.